Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
How far keto foods impact the reduction of body weight? Keto weight loss program is a diet that causes the body to launch ketones into the bloodstream. Most cells prefer to use blood sugar, which comes from carbohydrates, as the frame's foremost source of strength. In the absence of circulating blood sugar from food, we begin breaking down stored fats into molecules known as ketone bodies. The method is referred to as ketosis. Once you reach ketosis, most cells will use ketone bodies to generate energy until we begin consuming carbohydrates once more. The shift from the use of circulating glucose to breaking down stored fats as a supply of energy commonly occurs over 4 days of eating fewer than 20 to 50 grams of carbohydrate in step with day. Keep in mind that this is a distinctly individualized procedure, and few humans need a more constrained food regimen to start generating sufficient ketones. Because it lacks carbohydrates, a ketogenic eating regimen is rich in proteins and fats. It normally includes lots of meats, eggs, processed meats, sausages, cheese, fish, nuts, butter, oils, seeds, and fibrous veggies. Because it is so restrictive, it is genuinely tough to comply with over the long run. Carbohydrates usually account for at least 50% of the everyday American eating regimen. One of the main criticisms of this food regimen is that many human beings have a tendency to eat an excessive amount of protein and best fats from processed meals with very few culmination and greens. Patients with kidney disease need to be careful due to the fact this weight reduction plan may want to worsen their situation. Additionally, a few sufferers might also experience a little worn out within the starting, while some may have horrific breath, nausea, vomiting, constipation, and sleep issues. Is ketogenic weight loss plan healthy? We have strong evidence displaying that a ketogenic eating regimen reduces seizures in kids, on occasions as efficacious as medicine. Because of these neuroprotective results, questions were raised about the feasible blessings for different mind issues, which include Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, multiple sclerosis, sleep disorders, autism, or even mind cancer. However, there is no human research to support recommending ketosis to treat these conditions. Weight loss is the primary cause of my patients' use of the ketogenic food regimen. Previous studies indicate the right to proof of a faster weight loss whilst patients cross on a ketogenic or very low carbohydrate eating regimen in comparison to contributors on a greater traditional low-fat food plan or maybe a Mediterranean weight loss plan. However, that distinction in weight reduction appears to vanish over time. A ketogenic weight reduction plan also has been shown to improve blood sugar control for sufferers with type 2 diabetes, or at least within the quick term. There is even greater controversy whilst we remember the effect on levels of cholesterol. A few research displays a few patients have increased in cholesterol levels within the starting. only to see cholesterol fall some months later. However, there are no lengthy term studies analyzing its result, though the years of diabetes and excessive LDL cholesterol. Key takeaways from a ketogenic food plan overview. A ketogenic eating regimen may be a thrilling alternative to treat sore situations and can accelerate weight loss. But it's mild stuff to comply with, and it may be heavy on pork and different fatty, processed, and salty ingredients that are notoriously bad. We also do no longer realize a whole lot approximately its long-term results in all likelihood, as it is so hard to stick with that people can't eat this way for a long term. It is also crucial to remember that yo-yo diets that lead to speedy weight reduction fluctuations are related to multiplying mortality. Instead of enticing with it the subsequent popular food plan that might final only some weeks to months, for most people that consists of a ketogenic food regimen. Try to embrace exchange that is sustainable over a long time. Also, a balanced, unprocessed weight reduction plan, wealthy in very colorful culmination and greens, lean meats, fish, entire grains, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and masses of water appear to have the pleasant proof for an extended, healthier, colorful existence. How do you follow the ketogenic diet? There are several sorts of the keto weight loss plan. However, basically, to attain a kingdom of ketosis, you need to severely reduce the number of carbs you consume. Data advise the average American guy over age 20 consumes 4% of his everyday energy from carbs, and the average American woman over age 20 consumes 6% of her day-by-day energy from carbs. But within the traditional ketogenic weight reduction plan, which changed into originally used for the management of seizure problems, 80 to 90% of energy comes from fat, whereas 5 to 15% comes from protein and 5 to 10% comes from carbohydrates. A changed model of the ketogenic diet which allows you to devour protein greater liberally at 20 to 30% of your general energy with the same carbohydrate restriction is the extra usually used version of the eating regimen these days. Some of the pursuits of the ultra-modern model of the ketogenic food plan are weight reduction, weight management, and advanced athletic performance.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.